Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Sumayyah Haidah, the leader of Group 5 from class MEC1101J. My student ID number is 2023615128. In this video, we are going to explain about Chapter 3 Compound Interest and Chapter 4 Annuity. Here are my teammates.
Hi, my name is Nurul Izzati and my student ID number is 2023866444.
Hi, my name is Hanis. My student ID number is 20236933556. I'm going to start this video by explaining Chapter 3, Compound Interest. Compound interest is calculated more than once during the term of the loan or investment. This interest is added to the principal. This sum principal plus interest become the next principal for the next calculation of interest, and interest is charged of this new amount.
Here is case study 1 about compound interest. Adriana, a talented amateur baker, is currently working at a new pastry cafe in town. She is just 18-year-old and plans to have her own mini bakery and cafe in 10 years' time. Luckily, Adriana won first place in a top tip video baking competition and was awarded RM10,000 in cash. She decided to invest at 19% of her prize money in an investment scheme, with two choices of scheme to be considered as per the detail beside. The first choice is Acacia scheme that offers interest rate charge 7.5% compounded monthly. The second choice is Begonia scheme that offers 7.55% compounded monthly. Question A. For each scheme, how much money will Adriana have in an investment account after 10 years? So in this question, you are required to find the compound amount at the end of 10 years for both schemes. The formula we are going to use is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I the power of n. Based on the information you get, you then have to import it into the formula and find the answer for the question A. Question B. What is the difference between the interest? To find the answer for this question, you have to find the interest obtained for both schemes. To find it, you have to refer from question A and use the interest formula, which is I equal to S minus P. And then you're going to find the difference between interest obtained from both schemes. Question C. By referring to the interest values, which scheme should Adriana choose? Give your reason. To answer this question, you have to refer to question B. You have to choose which scheme offer higher interest values. Is it because with higher interest values, she will receive more profit? Last question, question D. If Adriana wants to get back the prize money she wants, how long does it take for her initial investment to reach it? Choose the scheme with the high interest offer. Find your answer up to the next month. In this question, we were given the S, which is the compound amount equal to RM10,000, and we are required to find the T, which is the term. You have to use the formula S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I the power of n. When you have to calculate, the answer will be in decimal. But since it's a term, the answer cannot be in decimal, so you have to round it up to make sure it is in even number.
I'm going to explain about Chapter 4, Annuity. An annuity refers to periodic payments or investment made to a compound interest account where payment for each period is the same and the rate of interest does not change throughout the entire term. In this chapter, we will learn about ordinary annuity. Ordinary annuity is an annuity where the periodic payments are made at the end of each interval. Payments at the beginning of each interval, the annuity is called annuity due.
Here is case study 2 about annuity. Yasmin is a successful entrepreneur, founder, and owner of the famous Shamanis Patisserie Cafe. She is going to retire soon, so she has two options to think of. The first option is to accept the RM2,700,000 gratuity and invest the whole amount in an account that pays 0.5% compounded monthly. This way, she will get RM9,000 every month until the account is empty. Another alternative is to join a private retirement scheme with RM9,000 every month for 25 years. Question A. Which option should Yasmin choose? Justify your answer with relevant calculation. Since you are given two options, to choose from, you have to show the calculation for both options. For the first option, you have to use the present value of an annuity formula, which is A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I, the power of minus n divided to I, since they had given the value of A, which is the RM 2,700,000 gratuity. Then you are going to find the term of the payment. For the second option, you have to find the amount of annuity at the end of the term, where you are going to calculate payment made monthly times 12 months a year times term. Then you are going to find that the amount is the same as the A amount for the first option. So how are you going to make the decision? You have to refer on the term. You have to choose the option that offered shorter period of time. Next is question B. After receiving her gratuity money, Yasmin is thinking of buying a new car for her daughter's birthday through an installment plan by making a 20% down payment, followed by 60 equal monthly payments. She expects the car to cost RM 65,000 and the interest charge is 5% compounded monthly. Calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. For this question, you have to use the present value formula. But how do you know that you have to use the present value formula? If you read the question carefully, you will find that they have mentioned an installment plan, which means she's going to make a loan. Anytime the question is related to loan, you have to use the present value formula. So how are you going to find A? You need to find the down payment first. Then you need to calculate the car cost minus the down payment. The answer you get will be the A amount. Once you get every important information, you then have to import it into the formula and find the answer for the monthly payment, which is the uppercase R. Next, you have to find the interest charge by using the formula I equal to N times monthly payment minus 2A.
Question C. If she wants to settle all of the loan immediately after paying for 2 years, Roman 1, how much additional payment does she have to make? Roman 2, how much interest is paid? The first step to answer this question is by finding the number of time payments left. Then you are going to use the present value formula to find the additional payment. For the question 1 Roman. For question 2 Roman, you are going to use the formula I equal to N times monthly payment minus 2A to find the interest amount paid. Question D. If she has not paid her first 3 monthly payments, how much should she pay on her fourth payment to settle all outstanding arrears? The formula you are going to use for this question is the missed payments, which is the S formula, by replace the N with 4 since they had mentioned that she is going to pay on her fourth payment. So it's going to be S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I, the power of 4 minus 1 divided with I. Then you are going to find the total amount she have to pay.
Thanks for watching. Bye.